back to my channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the vegan Bossa. Today I'm going to prepare a very simple side dish but very delicious, which is made with potatoes. You will be amazed how simple and easy is this potato side dish, and you will always cook potatoes this way. So, before continuing with the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can receive all the notifications for my video recipes. And now, let's prepare the recipe. For this recipe, we are gonna need 1 kilo of potatoes. The best potatoes for baking are the high starch content potatoes because they are rich in starch and remain soft and fluffy inside, and their skin, which is thicker, doesn't hold moisture well, which makes them ideal for that crispy exterior. Then wash and scrub well the potatoes before cutting, and cut the potatoes, if they are small, into halves, and if they are medium, into quarters, like I am doing here. I will not peel the potatoes in here because I love the flavor of the skin, but of course you at home can choose, you can peel them if you wish, the result will be the same. Then take a baking tray, lay a parchment paper on it, and start seasoning. We'll put here some sea salt and some dried rosemary, but you feel free at home to season it however you like. Use dried herbs for seasoning. This way they won't get burned from the heat of the oven. And of course, add some olive oil, and then put the potatoes in the baking tray, and at the end toast them gently, just a little bit. Then top them again with some sea salt, some dried rosemary, and a little bit of olive oil. Now the potatoes are ready to get baked. Bake them in a preheated oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Then the potatoes will be ready without too many efforts. You will have this wonderful side dish. Dear friends, I hope you really enjoyed this super simple and easy recipe. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.